Now we shall look upon 6 elements of tragedy. According to Aristotle, there are 6 elements of tragedy. इसे इस तरह से समझो जैसे कि आप कोई मील कुक कर रहे हो, आप कोई खाना बना रहे हो, एंड इन दैट you will put some ingredients, salt and spices etc. So it is very much similar to that. कुछ ऐसे एलिमेंट्स होते हैं जो एक ट्रेजेडी को सक्सेसफुल बनाते हैं, विच आर फाउंडेशनल टू द ट्रेजेडी. ओके, अर्लियर वी डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द कॉन्सेप्ट्स that Aristotle uses. Now we'll come to the elements which are like ingredients of tragedy. So the first element is plot. Aristotle ये कहते हैं कि plot is the soul of tragedy. Now what is a plot? Plot means structured arrangement of events in tragedy. Sequence of events भी आप इसे कह सकते हो. ठीक है कि एक structured arrangement of events कुछ इस तरह से अरेंज किए जाते हैं कि at last it will give a tragic effect. Then we do have character, which is ethos. Mythos was the Greek word for plot. Now we do have ethos. Ethos stands for character. Character, like Antigone was a character, Creon was a character, Haman was a character. So these characters are very essential to the tragic impact because people look upon them when they are trying to feel the emotion of pity and fear. Tragedy is a second hand experience. तो इन्हें देख करके pity और fear invoke होता है audience में. So character should be refined and character should be appropriate in order to generate the tragic impact. Then we have Diona, which stands for thought. The thought is more like the theme of tragedy. Like in Antigone, it deals with the theme of duties to the divine versus duties to the state. इन दोनों का जो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होता है कि वेदर Polynices should be honored by a burial because it is a divine duty, it is related to the gods, okay, and state has nothing to do with it, or whether Polynices was a traitor and he should be left as it is and he is a subject of humiliation and no divine duty should cover up the order of the state. So इस clash को ही discuss किया गया है Antigone में. There can be other themes but this was central to it, that's why I mentioned it. Now we do have diction, जो dialogue delivery होती है. The speech should be articulate. It is all about how the characters deal with speech and dialogue delivery. So it is what Aristotle meant by diction. Then comes melody. Melody is melos. Melos stands for the work of chorus. There is a chorus. I'll explain the role of chorus. Chorus क्या करती है? They come to the stage just after the prologue and they are symbolizing the voice of people and society. वो आते हैं and they are like the spectators within the tragedy, okay, and they help people to create an understanding out of the episodes. They help the people to invoke emotion and they help the people to relate with the pace of tragedy through there is one agent called music. Then comes spectacle, which is said to be opsis. It means the costume and all the outward appearance that can give a play a very great outlook. Okay, costume आ गए, stage decoration आ गया and etc. सबसे important line है जो एरिस्टोटल कहते हैं कि plot is the soul of tragedy. क्योंकि अगर see plot is the arrangement of event कि सबसे पहले Antigone decide करेगी कि I'll give burial to my brother, then Creon will oppose it, then Antigone will be more rigid to give a burial, then Creon will punish Antigone, but then a realization would struck him and उसके बाद क्या होगा कि Antigone would commit suicide. तो ये जो है this is a plot, this is a very tight plot. Okay, एरिस्टोटल ये मानते हैं कि दिस स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ इवेंट्स, दिस अरेंजमेंट ऑफ इवेंट्स, अगर ये इसमें फ्लॉ हुआ तो द ट्रेजिडी वोंट बी हैविंग एनी इम्पैक्ट इन द ऑडियंस. एरिस्टोटल के अकॉर्डिंग एक अच्छी ट्रेजेडी वही है जिसमें इवेंट्स लीड टू ट्रेजेडी, नॉट एनी डिवाइन इंटरवेंशन कि गॉड्स गुस्सा हो गए और बस इसी वजह से ट्रेजेडी झेलनी पड़ी प्रोटैगनिस्ट को. नहीं, प्रोटैगनिस्ट ट्रेजेडी झेलता है ड्यू टू द प्लॉट, ड्यू टू द एक्शन दैट ही और शी परफॉर्म्स. तो एरिस्टोटल के अकॉर्डिंग दिस इज़ वॉट शुड बी इन द प्लॉट एंड दिस इज़ अ गुड प्लॉट अकॉर्डिंग टू एरिस्टोटल.